Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto Repair and Interior Detailing. We have had a customer come and bring his car to our location, and he would like us to clean the car. You can this is a before video. We'll take an after video once we're done. But just to give you an idea, the seats of the car are full of mold. This car has been parked for some time. He hasn't used it, but there's a lot of mold in the car. You can see it's down the doors, the front seats, the brake handle, and on the driver's side seats. So he would like us to get this totally cleaned, both from interior as well as exterior. So we will also be doing our exterior foam wash, just to show you the car before, both the exterior and the interiors. And then we will, once we're done, I'll also take some videos during the process so that you get a better understanding of how we go about doing things. And once we are done, we will take another video after the car is all shining. Thanks. So as a part of the process, we start off with initial dry vacuuming of the entire car. We have a very big vacuum out there, which basically first we do a dry vac, then we do a steam clean, and after we do the steam clean, we again vacuum the car, steam clean the dashboards, the doors, and every other place, and then we wipe down with protectant and Amrol and other stuff. Hi guys, so we have finished the dry vacuum part of it, and now we're going to start the steaming process. I just want to show you a quick video of how we do the steaming, and that'll give you an idea. So this is a commercial steamer that throws out steam at over 100 degrees centigrade. Anything to do with mold basically gets killed on contact. So the next step that we do in the mold treatment process is we steam clean the entire car. So I'm going to wait for the steam to clean out. So this basically kills the mold, and then we do a shampoo and again a vacuum after that. So just to give you an idea on the 4-step process that we do for interior detailing. So guys, this is another way that we clean the small little pores which are inside the dashboard. Rather than using a brush and anything, we use high pressure steam that goes into all the grooves of your entire car, and then we wipe it down. So basically this is an environmentally friendly way of cleaning the car. It goes into all the little nooks and crannies, and we are able to get into all the tight spots. At the same time, we are sanitizing and making sure that your car is protected without the use of extra chemicals and other things. Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto. I just wanted to take a quick after video of the car that we started off with. We've done an exterior wash for the car. You can see the interiors have been thoroughly cleaned. When you saw it earlier, there was a lot of mold and other things. Right now it's all been cleaned. We've cleaned the seat belts. Dashboards look clean. The floor mats clean under the floor mats, got everything out, and the rear seats and all have also been cleaned up quite well. I would consider this another successful job by DNB Mobile Auto, and hopefully the customer is happy with us and gives us a positive review. If you have any interior detailing work, please give us a call. Number is 604-518-6684. We service the Surrey and Greater Vancouver area, and we come to your house and do detailing and cleaning work of your cars out of your location. Thank you.